Da 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 da.
Call it a
Tuesday night, downtown St. Paul. Cheese dog in one hand, budget report in the other.
Rolling past on Reed, smelling garlic toast. Bob say he's leading, but he just loved to boast. Pat got the scanner, eyes on the block, chewing them fries like he's beat cop stuff. Cheese dogs and beat cops talking about budget flops. 7 hours in the Durango, still ain't found no crooks to stop. Flashlight wasn't parking spot. Live on live, same old talk. Shortage of officers, Bob on repeat. Pass a dispatcher sweating in the heat. Then they see that sign, say hug your mother, not the index. Huh? Both scratch heads like what come next. Who got the booyah? Mancini's y'all. Who need leadership? We all do, bruh. Who's still searching for the truth in the car? Them 2 old men still ain't gone far. Yeah. Cheese dogs and big cops. Who you smelling traffic stops? Carisha's name on the window glass. They slow down, then they pass. Budget talks and burger buns. Count ghosts instead of guns. Be kind, rewind. Cause the past ain't done. Tomorrow night we'll be live again. Same stories, same streets, different kind of truth.